trimmers for women are a true companion for every lady out there. When it comes to removing unwanted hair effortlessly and painlessly, a good trimmer is an absolute must-have. In this video we will look at some of the best trimmer for women on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Bushbalm, the Francesca trimmer. The brand Bushbalm was launched to address skin care concerns, especially in the hair removal or maintenance space. Whether you trim a little, remove a lot, or let your hair grow, they've thought of products that can make your skin look and feel its best. Their bikini trimmer is a premium product with all the features you could want, including a 5-hour battery life, waterproof design, and a strong motor for easy removal. There's also a pre-wax or shaving guard to remove longer hairs before going in with a precision method. The kit also comes with a mini cleaning brush and lubricant to keep your trimmer in tip-top shape. The Francesca trimmer is waterproof, so it works where you need it, whether that's in the shower, bath, or out. Feel free to rinse it underwater, as this trimmer is waterproof to IPX 7 standards. The Francesca trimmer is powerful and controlled with a 6,000 RPM motor that provides a subtle and quiet vibration that cuts through any hair type with ease. The Francesca trimmer comes with an extra trimming guard that gives you the optimal height for shaving or waxing your bikini line. The Francesca trimmer is cordless and rechargeable. The battery life is up to 5 hours, making it convenient for the shower, or on the go. Number 2. Braun Silk-Epil 33270 Epilator. If you're looking for a hair removal option that's halfway between waxing and shaving, an epilator is your best choice. An epilator is a handheld device that plucks each hair from the root, similar to waxing, although the tool takes no messy waxes, creams, or skills to achieve. Since hair is being pulled from the root, you'll stay smooth and hair-free for weeks. The Braun kit is a great deal as it uses massage rollers to lessen the pain from the tweezers, as well as contains a shaver and trimmer head for more sensitive areas, like the bikini line. The Braun Silk-Epil 3270 Epilator for women is ideal for beginners for long-lasting hair removal. Enjoy weeks of salon-smooth skin thanks to the 20-tweezer system that gently removes hairs by the root. The shaver and trimmer head gives you added options for sensitive areas, and with the massage rollers stimulate the epilating area and make the experience less painful. The cord allows you to epilate with no charging breaks. All in one go. Box includes 1x epilator, 1x shaver head, 1x trimmer head, 1x cleaning brush, 1x charger. Number 3. Brori electric razor. This cordless razor covers all the bases. It has both straight and curved blades hidden under floating foils, a metal cylinder around the blades that not only protects your skin against cuts, but also captures hair follicles, to efficiently conquer hair on your arms, legs, and bikini line. Built to be totally waterproof so you can groom both in and out of the shower, it also has a LED light built into the body. This helpful addition illuminates hard-to-reach places, like the bikini line, to make removing stubborn stubble even easier. Number 4. Electric razor for women. You won't have to hop in the shower to use this portable trimmer, although you can, thanks to its high-speed razor head. It combines a straight blade for long hairs with a floating foil head for short stubble to give you a smooth shave on completely dry skin. You'll have to learn a special technique, holding the razor at a 90-degree angle, for best results. Electric razor for women for legs helps customize hair shaving on your face, arms, legs, body, armpits and bikini lines etc. in minutes without any residue. Multifunctional hair removal including facial hair removal head and body hair trimmer head. Multifunctionally shaving unwanted hair effectively. Electric bikini trimmer for women adopts hypoallergenic stainless steel blades and floating foil head, helping to achieve close and safe shaving with no pain or irritation, even for sensitive skin. Skin-friendly and painless hair shaving. Waterproof electric razor, safe to use even in bath or shower. The detachable razor head design and long cleaning brush make this hair trimmer easy to clean. No more nicks, cuts and irritation. It closely removes unwanted hair gently. Number 5. Cleancut T-Shape Personal Shaver. This handheld shaver is engineered to be used anywhere on the body without nicking or cutting the skin, whether that's underarms or bikini lines. Its ultrafine comb head is perfectly sized for more complex hairstyles, like a landing strip or Brazilian. During the initial trim, work slowly. Working the trimmer too quickly on long hair can clog the blades, causing them to catch and bind. If the trimmer binds, remove hair from blades with fingers. On long hair, use with the direction of hair growth first, the grain, to reduce hair length and quantity somewhat, then against the grain for a close trim. May require multiple passes to trim all hairs. Begin your experience with the PS335 T-Shape Personal Trimmer. The ultrafine comb style cutting head cuts hair amazingly close to the skin without pulling, pinching or nicks. The Cleancut PS335 can be used for fancy design work if you have an artsy crafty bent. Designed as a body shaver, it works wonderfully on bikini lines, underarm hair, leg or arm hair, beards, mustaches, pubic area,